Good morning, children. Today we will learn Gauss area concept. In last class we have discussed and we have solved the examples of our share capital basic entries, and today we are entering into Gauss area. So before entering into Gauss area, let's discuss about this. What is Gauss area? You know what happens sometimes when business collect money from market, means shareholders contribute shareholder pay their contribution. What happen? Sometimes some shareholders fail to pay that amount. Due to any reason they fail to pay that one. So if they fail to pay that one, that we say in our terms, in our accounting terms, or here in share capital, that is Gauss area. Means उन्होंने पैसा नहीं दे पाया. कितने अमाउंट का नहीं दे पाया वो हम देखेंगे. क्यों नहीं दे पाया ये हम कह नहीं सकते. Many reasons are there. So we cannot say any particular reason. We have to record the transaction. If he fails to pay, then what will the entry and what will the treatment? Okay. So let's think. If someone fails to pay, like Mr. X, who holds 100 shares, he fails to pay this at the rupees 2. Generally, this happens only in calls, allotment or calls. Application, it does not happen. Because first to receive our application money. If it happens, then what will the entry? Calls in area account debited to share first call or share final call. Just for example, here I am giving two names here: share first call account and share final call account. This is the nature of debit balance. This is important. This is the nature of debit balance. Calls in area. If someone fails to pay some amount, in next call he can pay that amount. Options are there. If someone fails to pay, if any reason, like 100 share, X fails to pay 100 share in first call, he can pay in the second call, also final call. So this is the our error entry. Error happen because error account debited to share first call and share final call. If that person paid that amount after failure, he paid that amount. Then what will the entry? The entry will be bank account debited to Gauss error account to interest account, or you can say interest on Gauss error. What? Interest on Gauss error. Interest on Gauss area. What happens if someone fails to pay that amount? Then articles of association permits allow to management to charge some interest, and that interest should not be more than 10%. Should not be more than 10% interest. This is our short question. Very important. Examiner asks many times these questions. If someone fails to pay that amount, then what is the maximum amount of interest? What is the maximum amount of interest? That will be 10%. Okay. So let's go to the illustration and see the questions. The question is, in last class I have told how to read the question. That is most important in our accounting chapter. We have to read the question very carefully. First we have to read and summarize, then we can go to problems. So here I am reading the question. Just open your book and check it. And one more thing, please remember it. Please use your earphone when you are watching this video or classes. Audio quality will be good because we are recording in this room. Some outside noise are there, so please use your earphone, that would be better. The third instruction is, first we will read the question carefully, then we will go to pass the entries. We will pass the entries. Question is, chronic limited issue 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Who issued? The company name is Chronic Limited. Company name is Chronic Limited. ओके, कितना शेयर इशू किया? क्वेश्चन आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है, मैं आपको बार बार बता रहा हूँ, ये इंपोर्टेंट है. क्रोनिक लिमिटेड इशू 10,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 10 each. 10,000 शेयर इशू किया. इशू 10,000 shares at the rupees 10 each. At the rupees 10 each. Let's see the breakup of the value. 10 each are payable 2.5 on application 2.5 on allotment rupees 3 on first call rupees 2 and balance is final call total is 10, then this will be 2.50 rupees 2.50. Okay, let's see the next slide. All the shares are fully subscribed. That means whatever share issue, whatever means 10,000 shares, all are subscribed. All the shares are fully subscribed and paid, except of a shareholder having 100 shares who could not pay for the final call. One shareholder is there who holds 100 shares, right? Who holds 100 shares, he fails to pay final call. Where he fails to pay final call. जब आप नोट कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा राइट और लेफ्ट मार्क इट दैट the shareholder fails to pay 100 shares on final call. जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, एंट्री डालेंगे तो याद करने के लिए इजी हो जाएगा. ओके, then give the entries to record this transaction. So some इसको अपन नोट कर लिया, please note it down. Then we will pass the entries. It will be very easy. That if you understood well our summary, then it will be very easy to pass the entries. So let's go to the entries. Go to the entries. 2.5, 3, 2 and 2.5. First is like we have to जर्नल एंट्रीज हमको ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. जैसे हम जर्नल करते हैं इजीली, ये डेट कॉलम है, नाउ नो डेट आर मेंशन देयर, when date will come that time will see debit amount, this will be in rupees, credit amount. ये आपको अच्छे से लिखना है. इसको एग्जामिनर देखता है, इसको एग्जामिनर देखता है कि ठीक से रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ कि नहीं हुआ है. Particulars. So go to the first entry. The first entry will be bank account bank account debited to share application account. Bank account debited to share application account. Narration is very important. Narration is very important. We have to write all the narration. The narration is being amount received on share application of 10,000 shares at the rupees 2.5. Okay, then what is the amount? The amount will be 25,000. 25,000. Clear? 10,000 share, एक शेयर का 2.5 रुपया 25,000. First entry is over. Come to the second entry. What is the second entry? Second entry we have to transfer that amount to share capital. When you transfer the amount to share capital, then they will be treated as the owner of the company. The second entry will be share application account. Here we are alerting share to the shareholders. When you alert share to shareholder, at that time we transfer share application account to share capital. Share application account debited to share capital. Then amount will be same 25,000 and 25,000 being share application amount transfer to share capital. Now allotment is done. Okay, last class we have discussed all these things. Now amount transfer to share capital. इसको हम नोट कर लिया आपने, ठीक है, मैं उसको इरेज कर रहा हूं. चलते हैं दूसरा एंट्री के लिए, सेकंड एंट्री के लिए. अभी हमारा एप्लीकेशन एंट्री हो गया. नेक्स्ट गो टू allotment. Here we will see application amount, then we will do our allotment one. Entry will be share allotment account debited to share capital. You can ask question, sir, why share capital comes here? Many times already I told you, discussed you, because now they are the owner of the company. Now we are dealing that amount. We are passing the entry of allotment due. Share allotment account debited to share capital, and that price value is 3 per shares. So here I will write in narration being share allotment amount due share allotment due on 10,000 shares at the rupees 3 each. So what is the amount? The amount will be 30,000. Okay, clear? Allotment due done. Then comes to receive. When we receive our allotment money, then what is the entry? The entry will be bank account, because you are receiving money, you know very well that bank account debited to share allotment account. Bank account debited to share allotment account. Price will be same. All the money received, no fails in allotment. Fails happen only in final call. 30,000. Here direction will be being share allotment amount, share allotment money or amount received on 10,000 shares at the rupees 3 each. Okay, ये नोट हो गया आपका. चलिए फर्स्ट कॉल को हियर एप्लीकेशन डन, allotment done, then comes to first call. Comes to first call. The first call entry will be same entry like as allotment. Share first call account, share first call account, first call account debited to share first call account debited to share capital. The next one will be being share first call amount due on 10,000 shares at the rupees 2 each. So what is the amount? The amount will be 20,000. The amount will be 20,000. Up to first call there is no issue. Only in second or final call, one shareholder he fails to pay 100 shares. So next entry in next, that means in final call we will post the call entry. When you receive the amount, the entry will be same. The entry will be same. The entry will be same. Bank account like allotment. Bank account debited to share first call. Bank account debited to share first call. Same amount 20,000. When you are passing entries, please focus on amount. Because many times we do mistakes in mentioning the amounts. So remember it, जब भी हम एंट्री करेंगे तो अमाउंट के ऊपर ध्यान देंगे कि कितना अमाउंट हम ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये मैक्सिमम टाइम हम क्या कर सकते हैं, गलत कर सकते हैं. कितना अमाउंट है और आप दूसरे अमाउंट में डाल सकते हैं. The next will be same like as before, being amount received on share first call of 10,000 shares at the rupees 2 each. Okay, up to here no problem. In the next in the final call, one person fails to. So in last installment, that is second and final call, one shareholder is there, he fails to pay 100 shares. उनके पास 100 शेयर था, उन्होंने 100 शेयर परचेस किया था. अभी जो फाइनल कल है वो उनके पास पैसा नहीं है. So he fails to pay that amount. If he fails to pay that amount, they have to say in our accounting terms, that is calls in arrear. What is that? That is calls in arrear. That means he can pay later also. So if someone fails to pay, we call that one cost in arrear account. This already I told, this is the balance of debit balance. This is the nature of debit balance. So like due entry, there will be no change in due entry. There will be no change in due entry. Due entry will be similar. Due entry will be remain same as before. Like share final call account debited to share capital account. Share final call account debited to share capital account. Share 10,000 shares are the rupees 2.5. Total is 25,000. That means company due on 10,000 शेयर अगर रुपये 2.5. ड्यू में कोई चेंज नहीं रहेगा. जितना भी फुल अमाउंट है वो सारा का सारा ड्यू होगा. जब रिसीव होगा तब हम देखेंगे कितना आया है कितना नहीं आया है. जो नहीं आया है उनको बोलते हैं हम कॉल एरियर. जब हमने रिसीव किया क्वेश्चन में हमको दिया है कि 100 शेयर्स, one person holding 100 shares, he fails to pay, and that price was, and that installment the price was 2.5. That means total price is 250. 100 share at the rupees 2.5. So how much we receive? We receive 24,750. So bank account whatever we receive that will debit in bank account. That is 24,750. And what is not received, that is 250, and we say that is calls in arrear account debited to share final call account, that is 25,000. Now you can understand easily that this amount also company also charge interest on this amount. If someone fails to pay that amount, after if he wish to pay, then company में charge interest और company में सो मोटो उनके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर सकते हैं. वो कितना होगा? मैक्सिमम 10% होगा. हमारा कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं, हम बाद में देखेंगे. अभी हमारा इंटरेस्ट कुछ नहीं करना है, बस ऐसे ही करना है. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू पर्सनल एरियर अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउnt. B narration what will be the narration? The narration will be final call will receive except 100 share, and that 100 the price of the 100 share is 250. So here I am concluding. Please go through that once and practice it repeatedly. It will be easy to understand. And जो भी आपको जो आपके न्यूमेरिकल्स में है, जो आपके एक्सरसाइज में है, उसको भी आप प्रैक्टिस करिए. पहले 2-3 पहले फर्स्ट 1 2 3 4 आई थिंक आप इजीली कर सकते हैं. तो उसको करिए. डाउट होगा तो हम देखेंगे, उसके लिए क्लियर करेंगे. सो आई एम कंक्लूडिंग हियर फॉर टुडे क्लास.